Welcome to Compare to Win. The best scaffolding is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components in construction and maintenance projects, providing a safe and stable elevated platform for workers and materials, ensuring that every task at height can be executed with confidence and efficiency, ultimately contributing to the overall success and safety of any building or repair endeavor. Number 5. Aluminum Scaffold 500 lb load capacity. Introducing our aluminum scaffold, designed for both strength and portability. It offers a robust 500 pounds load capacity, making it ideal for various tasks. With a platform height of 3 feet 10 inches, it provides a convenient working elevation. This ensures you can reach your desired areas comfortably and safely. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, this scaffold is built to last. Its durable construction ensures longevity and resistance to wear and tear. Don't worry about heavy loads, it can support up to 500 pounds. This makes it a reliable choice for demanding job sites. The lightweight nature of aluminum makes it easy to move and set up. Get your work done efficiently without the hassle of heavy equipment. Whether for construction, maintenance, or DIY projects, this scaffold is a versatile solution. Its combination of features makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. What we like. This option is built with lightweight aluminum for easy handling. It offers a solid 500 pounds load capacity, making it reliable for various tasks. If you need a straightforward, sturdy platform for general use and prioritize ease of transport, this is a great choice. What people say. The scaffolding is incredibly sturdy and well-built, making it feel very safe to work on. Assembly was surprisingly straightforward, with clear instructions and well-labeled parts. The modular design allows for flexible configurations, adapting easily to different project needs. Number 4. MetalTech 4 feet adjustable rolling scaffolding platform. Introducing the MetalTech 4-foot scaffolding platform, your ultimate solution for elevated access and material transport. This versatile tool is perfect for both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts alike. Easily adjust the platform height to suit various working levels. This makes it ideal for a wide range of tasks, ensuring you can reach every spot comfortably and efficiently. Designed for convenience, it features a foldable structure for effortless transportation and storage. The integrated 4-inch locking wheels allow for smooth movement between job sites. Work with confidence thanks to its robust safety features. It includes a secure locking mechanism on the wheels and adjustable height for maximum stability and security. This complete set comes with the scaffolding platform and 4-inch double lock, non-marking caster wheels. Get ready to tackle your projects with ease and efficiency. What we like. This scaffold is incredibly versatile with its adjustable platform height and foldable design. The 4-inch locking wheels make it a breeze to move around your workspace. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a contractor who frequently moves between different areas or needs to store it easily, this mobile platform is ideal for you. What people say. The scaffolding is incredibly sturdy and easy to assemble, making our construction project much smoother. We were impressed by the high-quality materials used in this scaffolding. It feels very safe and durable. The modular design allowed us to configure the scaffolding to fit our specific needs on site, which was a huge advantage. Number 3. MetalTech I-IMIS Job Site Series Scaffold. Introducing the MetalTech I-IMIS Job Site Series Scaffold. It's built tough for demanding work environments. This unit offers incredible flexibility, easily converting between a 5-foot scaffold and a 4-foot mini folding scaffold to suit your needs. Keep your essential tools and supplies within easy reach with the integrated, convenient tool shelf. Achieve the perfect working height for any task. Its adjustable platform provides ultimate versatility for your projects. Don't let its size fool you. This scaffold boasts a robust 900 pounds load capacity, ensuring safety and stability. Crafted for durability, it's designed to withstand the rigors of any job site, providing reliable performance project after project. What we like. This scaffold offers flexibility with its ability to work as either a 5-foot or a 4-foot mini scaffold. It also features a convenient tool shelf to keep your supplies within reach. If you appreciate versatility in size and like to keep your tools organized and accessible while working, this model is a practical selection. What people say. The scaffolding is incredibly sturdy and well-built, providing a secure platform for all our construction needs. Assembly was surprisingly straightforward, with clear instructions and all necessary parts included, making setup efficient. The modular design allows for flexible configurations, adapting easily to different project sizes and site layouts. Number 2. 131110T Baker Style Rolling Scaffolding. Introducing the WEN 31110T Baker Style Rolling Scaffolding, your reliable partner for any job. It's ready for the worksite, meeting all OSHA and ANSI standards for your safety. This scaffolding is built to last, supporting up to 1,000 pounds. You can confidently load it with people, tools, and materials. Need more space? Its stackable design lets you combine 2 units for an impressive platform over 12 feet tall. Achieve the perfect working height with 25 adjustable options. With 25 different height settings, ranging from 27 to 71 inches, you can easily customize it for any task. Find the ideal position for maximum efficiency and comfort. Move it around with ease thanks to the swiveling casters. They feature reinforced brakes and a ball-bearing design, ensuring a long and dependable lifespan. What we like. This rolling steel scaffold boasts an impressive 1,000-pound capacity and a stackable design for extended height. With 25 different height options, it offers exceptional adaptability. If you have heavy-duty projects, need significant height, or plan to combine units for even greater reach, this is the robust solution you're looking for. What people say. The scaffolding is incredibly sturdy and well-built, providing a secure platform for all our construction needs. Assembly was surprisingly straightforward, with clear instructions and well-labeled parts, making the setup process efficient. The modular design allows for flexible configurations, adapting easily to different project sizes and site complexities. Number 1. Group A-Line Aluminum Scaffold Basic. Experience the ease of our high-quality aluminum scaffold. It's lightweight for effortless handling and rust-resistant, ensuring it stands the test of time, indoors or out. This scaffold features a smart folding tower design, making it incredibly easy to transport and store. It's perfect for frequent use in tight spaces or when moving between different job sites. Tackle various tasks like painting, light repairs, and general maintenance with confidence. Its compact size makes it an ideal companion for smaller projects needing a safe and sturdy platform. With a platform height of 3 feet 2 inches and a working height of 9 feet 8 inches, it provides reliable access for your day-to-day jobs. Get to where you need to be safely and efficiently. Compared to steel, this aluminum scaffold is much easier to move and adjust on site. Its natural resistance to rust and corrosion means a longer lifespan and less maintenance, even in challenging conditions. This scaffold is built to support up to 500 pounds, providing a secure and stable working environment for your tasks. You can rely on its strength for demanding jobs. What we like. Crafted from lightweight, rust-resistant aluminum, this scaffold is designed for durability and ease of use. Its folding tower design makes it compact for storage and transport. If you're looking for a reliable, low-maintenance option for frequent use in smaller spaces or for everyday tasks like painting and light repairs, this multi-purpose scaffolding is an excellent fit. What people say. The scaffolding is incredibly sturdy and easy to assemble, which saved us a lot of time on our project. We were impressed with the quality of the materials used. It felt very secure and reliable. The modular design allowed us to configure it to fit our specific needs, making it versatile for different job sites. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.